Okay, this is another one of those Nutrisystems. This is the creamy chicken alfredo. This one is an entire 8 ounces of massive goodness here. Well, we're going to see how it is. Now, it's very simple. This microwave instructions. It is only 240 calories. Salt's 23%. Protein's good, but you see, nutrient-wise, vitamins, almost none. And I've noticed something with Nutrisystem. They must have stock or own a company where everything on the menu, ingredient-wise, is soy. They love soy. And I also have noticed sulfate, phosphate, a lot of preservatives. You're literally eating freezer food. Like literally, not freezer food, what's the word I'm looking for? Processed foods. Just enormous amount of just chemicals. There's a lot of, I don't know, uh-oh. Apparently my microwave a little too powerful for the boom boom. As my videos show, I'm a big guy, and this is a Nutrisystem proper serving, so here it is. Here's your perfect 8 ounce serving. Not very thick at all, but that is it. Yeah, my dog's like, drop that and we'll see what happens, but that's it. This is engine life. This is engine life. Yep, I'm going to shovel this in my face. Just as a reference, that's how deep it actually is. As my wife would say, actually, clean. That's how deep it is, for reference. Actually, I'd say Hungry Man dinners probably taste substantially better. But now their servings are going to be higher salt. But would I be okay with the wife picking something different? Definitely. It's very bland. Definitely needing some garlic powder. Something to help it. So even with a bunch of garlic in there, it still is bland. I think just lack of flavoring is just horrible. It's like you want people to eat this to be healthy and stuff, but just enough food to say you had dinner. Super reduced calories. I mean, 240 calories. Just enough food to piss you off. And that's my wife's quote. And my wife calls me a trash panda, so I will probably protein bar time after this. Yes. Something's got an extra. This is not the greatest. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep a follow up with our diet. See how it's going.